Simple tutorial. Good morning students, you are all welcome to So Simple tutorial. Today we are going to start competency based questions that are expected in section A of your board examination. Today you will have 10 questions from match the column type, 10 questions from arrange in chronological order and 5 from graph and table type. So get ready with your pen and copy. After question number 25, I will be back with the correct answers. So you can start doing your work now. check the answers now. First, on Mahanadi, we have Hirakud Dam. On Narmada, we have Sardar Sarovar Dam. On Chambal, we have Rana Pratap Sagar. On Chenab, we have Salal Dam. So the correct option is C. Next question. Kandla is in Gujarat, Tuticorin is in Tamil Nadu, Paradip is in Odisha, and Haldia is on West Bengal. So the answer will be the option C. Next question. First, ferrous. Ferrous includes iron, nickel, cobalt, and manganese. So ferrous can be matched to cobalt. Aluminium is non-ferrous, so we can match bauxite with non-ferrous. Granite is a non-metallic mineral, so non-metallic can be matched to granite. Energy minerals provide power or energy. It includes coal, petroleum, and natural gas. So we can match energy with coal. So the correct option will be A. Next, leaders and role. First, Victor Emmanuel II. He was proclaimed the king of unified Italy. Easy one. Mazzini had started the Young Italy movement, so match him with 4. Garibaldi had conquered the kingdom of Sicily, so match him with 2. Lastly, Cavour, he was the chief minister of Italy, so we have to search for 1, 4, 2, 3. It is in D. Next, Depressed Classes Association was formed by Dr. Ambedkar, so match it with 4. Gudam Hill means Raju, so match it with 3. G.D. Birla was a famous industrialist, so 3 can be matched with 1. Finally, Swaraj Party was formed by C.R. Das, so 4 can be matched with 2. So the correct option will be D. Salt March means Dandi. Jallianwala Bagh means Amritsar. Purn Swaraj was adopted in Lahore session, and peasant movement means Awadh. So the correct option will be A. Formal sector means commercial banks. Issuance of currency means RBI. Informal sector loans is given by relatives and friends, and self-help group promotes financial independence. So answer B is the correct option. E-programming means residuary subjects. Police comes under state list. Education comes under concurrent list, and defense is in union list. So option A is correct. STs are 8.6%. SCs are 16.6%. Muslims are 14.2%, Hindus are 79.8%. So the correct option is C. You can refer page number 50 of your political science textbook. A person who believes in equal rights for men and women is a feminist. A person who says religion is the principal basis of community is a communalist. A person who believes that caste is the principal basis of community is a casteist. And a person who doesn't discriminate against on the basis of religion is a secularist. So the correct option is B. C. Forced recruitment was carried out during the war, so it has to come first. Then comes firing at the Jallianwala Bagh. Thereafter, Roulette Satyagraha was launched. The last event is the defeat of Ottoman Empire. So the correct option is B. The oldest party is Congress. Then CPIM 1964. Then BJP 1980, then BSP 1984. So the correct option is D. Swaraj Party was formed in 1923. Then Lahore Session December 1929. Then comes Depressed Classes Association in July 1930. Finally, Gandhi-Irving Pact in 1931. So the correct option is B. Gutenberg invented the machine in 1430s. Then Martin Luther wrote 95 theses in 1517. Then Church started maintaining index of prohibited books from 1558. Finally, print culture created conditions for French Revolution. So the correct option is B. Printing press came to Goa in mid-16th century, so it has to come first. Then Bengal Gazette in 1780. Then Vernacular Press Act in 1878. Finally, Bal Gangadhar Tilak imprisoned means 1908. So the correct option is B. NDA was formed in 1998. UPA was formed in 2004. The Mahavikas Aghadi was formed after 2019 as a result of political crisis there in Maharashtra. The latest alliance is the INDIA, which was formed in 2023 to stop Modi ji to come to power in 2024 Lok Sabha elections. So the correct option is C. In 1992, steps were taken towards decentralization. Belgium shifted to federal form of government in 1993. Jharkhand, Uttarakhand, Chhattisgarh were formed in 2000 and Article 370 was removed in 2019. So the correct option is B. The start of Buddhism is somewhere in BC, so it has to come first. Arab traders took pasta to Italy in the 15th century. Expeditions for El Dorado took place in 17th century. And Irish potato famine is not very old. It is 1849, mid-19th century. So the correct option is C. English Parliament seized power in 1688. Act of Union means 1707. Then Ireland incorporated into the UK in 1801. And finally, Garibaldi expedition in 1860. So the correct option is D. Treaty of Vienna means 1815. Frankfurt Parliament of 1848. Then Victor Emmanuel proclaimed king in 1861. Finally, William I proclaimed German emperor in 1871. So the correct option is A. Which state has the lowest net attendance ratio? 43, Bihar. So the correct option is C. What is the share of formal sector in total credit? Cooperative societies are formal sectors. So are commercial banks. So 27 plus 25 is equal to 52%. So the correct answer should be D. The percentage of female child attending school is 82%. Therefore, not attending school will be 18%. So the correct option should be D. Which sector shows the declining trend? Naturally, primary sector. So the correct option is A. Sex ratio in Delhi. C. Delhi, Haryana and Punjab in white color. That means less than 875. So the correct option is D. This finishes your practice in match the column type, arrange in chronological order and graphs and table type questions. Count your marks and assess yourself. The second session of competency based questions will come in the next session, wherein you will practice assertion reason type questions, picture based questions and multiple correct answer type questions. Allow me to leave now. Thank you. Jai Hind.